In this video, we'll show you how to identify the cookies running on your website using automated tools and browser-based methods. Option 1. Use Ubenda's free site scanner. The simplest way to identify cookies is by using Ubenda's free site scanner. Go to Ubenda's homepage or dashboard, click Start for free, and enter your website URL. Then provide a few details about your site, such as your target user's location, the type of website you run, and the document language. The scanner will analyze your site for cookies, trackers, and third-party services. Once login, you'll receive a report showing which tracking technologies were detected, so you can clearly see what's running on your site. You'll also receive the results by email for easy review. Option 2. Use browser extensions. You can also use browser extensions like Wappalyzer or Built With. Install the extension, visit your website, and click the extension icon to analyze the technologies detected. These tools help identify third-party services that may install cookies. Option 3. Inspect cookies directly using your browser's developer tools. Open your browser's developer tools and go to the Application tab and select Cookies. You'll see the list of cookies currently stored by your site. If you're looking for a faster and more automated way to monitor them, a Ubenda's scanner can help streamline the process.